Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys a very easy and delicious recipe, chicken and cheese Ceylon paratha. This is very easy to make, very soft, and the filling is super simple to make. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started with this Ceylon paratha. In a skillet, I've added 1 tablespoon butter and a little bit of oil. And to this, I'm adding small onion finely chopped. Saute until it's nice and soft. Here I have 1 teaspoon ginger finely chopped or grated, 1 teaspoon garlic grated or finely chopped. Go ahead and add them and saute until the raw aroma leaves from the ginger and garlic. Now here I have 1 cup of shredded chicken pre-cooked. If you want to add pre-cooked chicken, you can go ahead and add, or if you want to cook them fresh and add, you can do that as well. I'm using a chicken thighs, and you can use chicken thighs or breast. Go ahead and add them and combine until it's well coated. Add salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes or chili powder. Saute for a minute, and once it's all well combined, here I have 3 green chilies or more, 1 large carrot grated. Here I have 1/8 of a cup green peas. Now when it comes to vegetable, you can add more or less of any kind of vegetables. These are the vegetables I like. Go ahead and add the vegetable. Cook them until it's all well combined and heat it through. Now cool this completely before we start making the paratha. I have already made my paratha dough. This is like any regular paratha dough that you would make. Just make it and leave it aside before you make the chicken. When the dough rested, it will be nice and soft to work with. Now go ahead and roll it nicely and divide into equal size ball. I have divided into medium size ball. Now go ahead and roll it into a large shape. Now my chicken filling is completely cooled down. Add the filling right in the center, around 2 tablespoons. Go ahead and add the cheese, grated cheese. I'm adding mozzarella cheese. You can add any cheese. Go ahead and cover all the sides. As you can see, I've covered them all the 4 sides. Now my tawa is already preheating on medium-high heat. I'm going to go ahead and add the prepared dough and cook them for a minute before I add the ghee or oil. And go ahead and fry them until it's nice and brown from both sides and nice this crust outside. As you can see, this is beautifully crusted and has this crispy crust outside, and it is nice and gooey, cheesy inside. You don't need to have any side dish for this. It's great to serve as it is. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.